My name is Wen. I'm from the capital city of Canton, Guangzhou. I think I am a people. I like to talk to customers. Here's the ginger chicken, demand. You're welcome. Let me know if you're ready for a shot of whiskey. If people share my cooking and they like it, and I feel like
Makes you happy.
exactly make me very happy.
You know, wonton soup is more popular than the chow mein, I think, in China. You can find it anywhere.
Yeah, in Guangzhou, there's 24 hours a day people eat.
Yeah, you know, and Guangzhou's like Las Vegas or something. The town never shuts down. So you can go at 4 in the morning and go hit a little shop, and it's delicious. I'm getting hungry.
First thing we need to make a wonton: soy sauce, sugar, salt, and a little bit oil with some cornstarch. We have to stir at the same direction for probably 10-15 minutes. So you have to be very strong. We worry about the wonton wrapper later because we need to marinate it for an hour or two.
You use egg as like an adhesive almost for the wonton to stick together, and you put the stuff in the center and then fold it over and kind of pinch it together, like almost a flower or a bow.
And usually we use the same spoon, so every time you do one spoonful, it's pretty much the same amount, you know. Of course, it will go like a little bit less or a little bit over, but usually if you do it like many years, and you know pretty much.
And there's a way you fold the corners, and
yeah,
it's labor intensive, wrapping them all up, and then I could make one in about 10 minutes, and she can make about 200.
Wonton is from Canton, yeah. Basically, it's Cantonese. Yeah, and some of them, some of them I get it from my family, and most of them, honestly, just because we've been together so long, and I cook for him all the time, and whatever he likes it and put it on the menu.
And some of them are like the traditional Chinese fare that you'd find at restaurants, like General Tso's chicken or something. And we do have a couple dishes, like she said, that are her grandma's recipes, and some real kind of more local stuff than what you'd find at a typical restaurant.
The big difference, the wonton soup in Guangzhou, the city I'm from, is the soup base. We use the shell of the shrimp, and with a lot of pork bones and chicken bones, whatever, and cook overnight. But here, a lot of people allergic to shrimp, seafood, or whatever. So my wonton soup doesn't have any shrimp.